Shaggy here. Just want to take the time out to say prayers, much love, much respect to all of our nurses and doctors on the front line. The government of Jamaica is trying their best to keep us all safe, so please abide by the rules and regulations and all of the guidelines. Do. I know it's hard, but I beg you know, we need it. I'd like you to join me and a few of our friends them on April 12th for what we're dubbing as the COVID-19 Telethon. And this is in aid of purchasing ventilators, masks, gloves, gown, you know, so that our healthcare workers and frontline workers them can better be equipped to fight this pandemic. And just remember this: we are the ones who make this world whole.